The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate how to measure and analyze the lung pressure-volume curve in mice. This is accomplished by first setting up a syringe pump to generate a constant rate of mouse lung inflation and deflation. In the second step, the pump is adapted to enable measurement of the air volume delivered to the animal, and then the system is corrected for the gas compression. Finally, the airway pressure is measured, and the pressure-volume curve is digitally recorded. Ultimately, assessment of the pressure-volume curve allows the evaluation of multiple variables that can reflect the structural changes that occur in lung disease.
The main advantage of this method, which has never been standardized in a mouse model, is that the lung distensibility reflects the pathologic changes in lung structure associated with different lung diseases, especially emphysema and fibrosis.
This method is easy to perform, and it can help answer key questions related to the changes associated with lung disease.
For measurement of the lung volume, use a syringe pump with a switch that allows a quick pump reversal after the pressure limit is reached to generate a constant rate of inflation and deflation of the lung. For mouse pressure-volume curves, use a 5 milliliter glass syringe with the prior to inflation volume set at 3 milliliters of air. Attach a linear differential transformer to the pump housing, with a small sensor rod connected to the moving syringe plunger, and measure the volume delivered by the pump.